Welcome. So today, based on our last video, we were looking at forward and reverse motor control circuits, and as we observed, we saw that our motor was being operated from two contactors, one for the reverse and the other for the forward. So today, I want us to look at the general outline of a contactor. So we are looking at this contactor EKC10910 from that manufacturer. So as you can observe from our contactor right here, it is labeled L1, L2, L3, T1, T2, T3. It is also labeled NO number 13, NO number 14. Is also labeled A1, A2. If you observe right here, our contactor is rated 230 volts, 50 hertz. So this 230 volts is used to operate our coil A1, A2. So from here, from this terminal, the terminal A1, this way you will connect your hot wire here, your live one phase at A1, and the neutral you are going to connect through A2. Once you energize this coil, our contactor turns on. It allows currents to pass through from L1 to T1, L2 to T2, L3 to T3. Yes. So this from L1, L2, L3, this is where you connect our three-phase voltages. We have the lead phase being connected to L1, the lead phase L1, and the yellow phase connected to L2, and the blue phase connected to L3. So, and the other terminals, the red wire is connected to T1 and it goes to the motor. T2, we have our yellow wire connected to T2 and goes to the motor. Our blue phase or our blue wire is connected to T3 and goes right to the motor. So once you energize this coil A1 and A2, the contactor will turn on and it will make contacts. It will create contacts between L1 and T1, contacts between L2 and T2, contacts between L3 and T3. So, and by doing so, our motor will have turned on. So we have the NO, number 13 and 14. So this is where our holding contacts is enabled. So once our contactor is energized, this NO 13 and 14 will turn to it will turn to a normally closed NC. It will turn to a normally closed. It is normally open before it was our contactor was switched on, but after it is turned on, we have it being changed to an NC, a normally closed, and thereby providing holding contacts, enabling our motor to stay on even after the push button has been released. So that is how our contactor is. So this is the general outline of a contactor. It is found in industries. So the difference between a contactor and a relay is that a contactor, yes, both of them they are used to control power flow, but for our contactor is used to control high voltages, but for a relay it is used to control low voltages. So that is the main difference between a relay and a contactor, but basically the working is the same. Thank you.